The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.
Hi, I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. The RTC has made some big improvements here at the Villanova Drive facility, and here to tell us more about it and how it helps our community be more sustainable is RTC Facilities and Fleet Manager David Carr. Thanks so much for being with us, David, and tell us about the new Villanova facilities here.
Well, the facility was originally built in 1983, and back then I think no one really envisioned that buses would become fully electric and taller. And so we had to make some changes here. This facility was built where the boardroom used to be, and there's now 2 bays for 60-foot buses and for our electric buses. We also had about $15 million invested, and we've raised the barn doors, we've added the shop bays, and we've enhanced the efficiency of the layout.
Now, how is this going to help you maintain the fleet?
Well, it's the better lighting, the better access, egress and ingress, makes the site much more efficient. We have new equipment, state-of-the-art facility here, and it makes our maintenance much more efficient.
And how does this help our community be more sustainable?
Well, the electric buses really make a difference to the transit rider, but it also contributes to the air quality in the Truckee Meadows region.
And what else should people know? Anything else?
Well, we have 4 electric buses now. We're receiving 17 new electric buses this year, and we expect to continue to go down that direction in the future.
Fantastic. Well, it sounds wonderful. It looks amazing. Thank you so much, David, for the great tour. And if you'd like to learn more about this topic, you can always visit us at rtcwashoe.com. Make sure to join RTC on Facebook and Twitter to stay updated on all the latest information. I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. Thanks so much for watching. This is your RTC.
The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.